Your job might not exist in 10 years. And it's not science fiction, it's already happening. In this video, we count down the 10 jobs most at risk from artificial intelligence. Some of these will shock you. Stay until the end, because we'll also reveal what AI can never replace. Let's get into it. Call center operators. Every time you call customer service and hear a robot voice that's AI, companies like Amazon, Bank of America, and T-Mobile are replacing entire call center departments. Voice AI doesn't get tired, doesn't quit, and works 24/7 for a fraction of the cost. Bookkeepers and accountants. QuickBooks, AI, Xero, and FreshBooks can already process thousands of transactions per second with near-zero error rates. Entry-level accounting is essentially automated. Even tax prep, H&R Block, now uses AI for most standard returns. Translators. DeepL and Google Translate have crossed a threshold. They're now better than most human translators for standard documents. Real-time earpiece translation is already a product. The only survivors? Literary translators and high-stakes diplomatic work. Truck drivers and delivery. Waymo, Tesla Semi, and Aurora are running commercial autonomous freight routes right now. The American Trucking Association estimates 3.5 million trucking jobs are at risk. Last-mile delivery? Amazon's delivery drones are already operational in select cities. Copywriters and journalists. The Associated Press uses AI to write thousands of financial and sports articles every week. Ad agencies are cutting junior copywriting staff. Tools like Claude and GPT-4 produce first drafts in seconds. The role isn't dead, but it's shrinking fast. Junior lawyers and paralegals. Harvey AI, Clio, and LexisNexis AI can review contracts, find precedents, and draft documents faster than any law school grad. Big firms like Allen & Overy have already deployed it. Junior associate work is being automated at scale. Radiologists and diagnosticians. Google's MedPalm 2 detects tumors in X-rays and MRs with accuracy that exceeds the average radiologist. In some hospitals in Asia and Europe, AI handles the first read on 100% of scans. The radiologist reviews flagged cases. Staff numbers are being cut. Bank tellers and loan officers. When did you last go inside a bank branch? JP Morgan Chase closed over 500 branches in 5 years. AI now approves or denies most personal loans in under 3 minutes. The remaining branches exist mostly for complex financial advice for now. Warehouse and fulfillment workers. Amazon's fulfillment centers are 75% automated. Their Kiva robots move 300 items per hour. Humans average 100. Ocato's fully automated grocery warehouse in the UK has 0 permanent human pickers. This is the new normal. Data entry and admin clerks. The #1 job at risk is also the most common office job in the world: data entry. AI can now read forms, extract information, categorize it, and enter it into systems with better accuracy than humans. Microsoft Copilot is automating this across millions of businesses right now. But here's the thing. AI isn't replacing creativity, emotional intelligence, or physical dexterity in unpredictable environments. In our next video, we cover the 10 jobs that AI will never replace. Subscribe so you don't miss it.